The Erase Point tool in ArcGIS Pro is only available on a standard or advanced license for some reason. So I'm going to show you how you can overcome this using ArcPy to recreate the tool with a basic license to do the exact same thing. Let's check it out. The Erase Point tool is a part of the editing toolbox, and it deletes points from the input that are either inside or outside the remove features. The remove features are polygons. If the operation is inside, points inside the polygons are deleted. If the operation is outside, the points that intersect the polygon remain and those points outside are deleted. Scroll down, we can check out the syntax. We have arcpy.edit.erasePoint, and there are two required parameters, the in-feature points and the remove features polygons, and we have an optional operation type. The operation type specifies whether points inside or outside the remove features will be deleted. The default will be inside, where the input point features inside or on the boundary of the remove features will be deleted, and we can also use outside, where the input point features outside of the remove features will be deleted. If I scroll down a bit more, we can see the licensing information that is not available on a basic license and only available on a standard and advanced. And we're going to use ArcPy to create it for use on a basic license. Let's head to our Python script. We first mimic the three inputs. There are two required, our in features and our remove features. Our in features will be a point feature class and our remove features will be a polygon feature class. The operation type will be optional, where we can set it to inside or outside of the polygons. If inside, only points inside the polygons will be deleted. If outside, only the points outside the polygons will be deleted. We create a dictionary that has two keys based on the input from the operation type, which are inside and outside. If set to inside, we want to set the invert spatial relationship in the SelectLayerByLocation to be not invert, and if it's outside, we'll set it to invert. We use the SelectLayerByLocation tool from the data management toolbox to select the points to delete. Our in-layer parameter is the in-feature points. The overlap type is intersect. The select features is the remove features, which are the polygons, and the invert spatial relationship is based on the input to invert or not invert. Once we have our points selected, we use the delete features tool from the data management toolbox, where we set our in features parameter to be the in features from this tool, the points to delete. Only the points that have been selected will be deleted. Let's head over to ArcGIS Pro. In my toolbox, I've created a tool called Erase Points. I'm going to walk you through the setup of this tool. I right click and go to Properties. We have our inputs. We have our three user inputs, our in features, remove features, and operation type. The in features has a data type of feature layer. It is required, direction of input, and the filter type has been set to point. For remove features, it is also a feature layer data type. It is required, direction is input, and the filter is set to be a polygon. For our operation type, it's a string. The type is optional. The direction is input. There's a value list for inside and outside that'll act as a drop down, and we've set the default to be inside. The execution, you point us to the Python script that you just saw, and we've no validations to set. I'll click OK, and I'm going to open the tool. We're going to run this tool 3 times. First to delete inside, second to delete points outside, and third, we will show what happens when you have a selection made on the polygons. I'm going to set my input features to be the points delete inside. My remove features will be the polygons, and I'll leave the operation type as inside. When I run this tool, I expect the points that intersect the polygons to be deleted and the ones outside to remain. I'll run the tool, and we can see that that is what has happened. I'll turn off the points delete inside layer, and I'll turn on the point delete outside. It is a similar point layer with the same points. And I'll change the input features to be delete outside. I'll change the operation type to outside, and I will run. And we can see that the points outside the polygons have been deleted and those inside remain. I will turn off the points delete outside and I'll turn on the points delete with selection. I'm going to select two of the polygons. I'll set the input features to be our points delete with selections. The remove feature stays as polygons, and you can see here that it is using the selected two records. I'm going to delete what is inside. So when I run this, I expect that the points inside the two selected polygons will be deleted and the points within the polygon that is not selected will remain along with the outside points. I'll run the tool and we can see the points within the selections have been deleted. We have successfully recreated the erase point tool that is only available on a standard or advanced license with ArcPy for use on a basic license. Make sure to check out more from the playlist and to subscribe.